Hello friends, today we are having Mr. Suresh Sharma, Director of Eastman New Energy Private Limited. Sir, how's your experience about Semco machines?
With Semco, we are working Semco machines since 2023, and the experience with the team, with the service team, with the after sales team, it is very good. The machines which we have purchased was cell testing and battery pack testing, cell balancers, then BMS testing machines we have purchased with them, and the overall performance of the machines is very good. And I recommend every battery manufacturer to get the machines from the Semco and have the efficiency. Further, I would like to also add in this particular point that the infra which Semco is having in India regarding the lithium-ion batteries machineries is very good. They are having their factory in Saibabad, and I personally visited the factory and found that they are having the plenty of spares as well, so that the downtime can be zero. However, they are ensuring us, and even though they are ensuring the industry to provide the services within the time, and I think their TAT is 24 hours, and they are making sure that machines downtime within the 24 hours they are resolving the issues.
Then will you recommend other customers to buy from Semco machine?
Yes, sure. This is my personal recommendation to each and every lithium-ion battery manufacturer to get the machines from Semco. And actually they are having the turnkey solutions regarding the lithium-ion battery factories. So starting from the cell sorting machine to the laser well, then to comprehensive testing, functional tester, aging tester, laser well machines, every machines they are having with them, and the spares also. So I humbly recommend to all the battery manufacturer to discuss with Semco for their solutions.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.